Do you want to earn money while playing games? Sit back and relax as I show you how to do it. Hello there, it's Clever Money again, and today I'll teach you how to earn $32 every day by simply playing games. And you may join without having any prior expertise with Bitcoin. You also don't have to be concerned about your location because these apps are available all around the world. I'm going to reveal a few secrets throughout the video that will help you increase your profits. So pay attention and don't miss any parts. And guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on our notification because that way you're not only helping me out, but you're also ensuring that you don't miss out on any new methods that could potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. Let's get started with the first step. The first game on the list is Hunter Coin, and you can discover more about it by visiting their website. Now, it's mainly a strategy game, but it's also a multiplayer game, so you can play against other people online. The graphics aren't particularly amazing as you can see, but you may earn Bitcoin by collecting coins and defeating other players. Because each coin you collect has a certain worth, you can eventually swap them for cryptocurrency. This one has a lot of positive feedback, so you might want to give it a shot. Moving on to the second game, Splinterlands.com, which demands a little more talent and patience in order to be rewarded with a real cryptocurrency. As you can see, the game revolves around collecting cards and battling other players. Now, you may play whenever you want, trade whenever you want, and most importantly, earn for every win. More specifically, they have paid over $5 million in tournament prizes to their users thus far. And you can surely get into that as well. As you can see, Splinterlands makes it simple to earn on a daily basis, with players winning rewards from tournaments, rank play, and quests. This means that no matter what your skill level or collection size is, there is always an opportunity to earn, which is fantastic. So as I previously stated, $5,073,103 was paid out, which is rather impressive. Moving on to number 3, this one is a little different. It's called StormX.io, and it pays you for performing micro tasks as well as providing you with possibilities to earn cryptocurrencies through playing games. Now, once you have completed a few of these offers and started earning money, they will reward you with their own cryptocurrency. Moving on to number 4, this isn't a game, but it's a lot of fun to use. It's called Sweatcoin, and you can get started by going to sweatco.in. You might want to give it a try right now. This app will pay you for being active, and if you are already an active person who goes for a run every day, you should give this one a try because it will pay you for each step you take. Basically, they turn your steps into currency, which you can then spend on fun items and services. This means they won't pay you in Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other prominent cryptocurrency. Instead, they will pay you in Sweatcoin, which is their own cryptocurrency. However, it does not have any intrinsic value. Instead, they have a large number of different partners, over 300 to be exact, with whom you can purchase products with the coins you create. As you can see, Sweatcoin's value is created from their extensive collaborations. It currently has a rating of 4.4 out of 5, which is excellent for such an app. It's pretty popular as you can see. And it does not matter whatever operating system you are using because it is also available on the App Store where it has a higher rating of 4.5 out of 5 with over 230,000 ratings. Next, we'll look at number 5, which is named The Island and can be found at privateers.life. This is a game in which you can live the life of an ordinary inhabitant of a 17th century pirate colony, as they quickly describe it here. As a result, this is a somewhat unusual concept, and you are not constrained by frameworks like courtesy, legality, morality, tactics, or strategy. You should simply try your best to survive. The game looks great as well, and these folks have done an excellent job for making it enjoyable. And you'll earn credits for completing specific objectives. These are known as LDM credits, and they have a monetary value. You can actually convert them and receive real money in exchange for playing a game. All of the games we have discussed so far were designed to play on a desktop or laptop computer. But this one is a mobile game that you can play on your smartphone or tablet. Alien Run is the name of the game, and it will pay you in Bitcoin. It is already quite popular with 10,570 reviews and a 4.6 out of 5 rating, which is fantastic. If you prefer playing mobile games in your leisure time, I strongly advise you to give this one a shot. However, you should be aware that this is not the only game available for Bitcoin. There are a lot of them on Google Play or the App Store, so I recommend that you conduct some research on your own. Moving on to number 7, we have Spells of Genesis, an arcade game that can be played on both a smartphone and a PC. The game is a lot of fun, but my favorite feature is the ability to trade stuff with other players in exchange for actual cryptocurrency. This distinguishes it from its competitors because, in general, most applications and games do not enable you to exchange for real money with other users. For doing so, they will actually ban your account. But this is not the case with Spells of Genesis. They have also partnered with several well-known companies such as Blockchain Game Alliance and have been highlighted in publications such as Forbes, Bitcoin Magazine, and others. They have a 4.2 out of 5 star rating on Google Play, and people seem to enjoy the gameplay and premise. Last but not the least, we have Neon District, which you can read more about by visiting neondistrict.io. The gameplay is far more complex than in the previous games we have looked at, and it is a lot of fun to play. As described here, it is essentially the Millennium Cyberpunk RPG, and you should absolutely give it a try if you enjoy such games. This game has a lot of cool features and some great graphics. And gentlemen, if you're already playing video games in your leisure time, why not try this out and make some cryptocurrency in the process? If you do try these games, let me know by talking about your experience in the comments section below. I am always looking for new and profitable ways to make money online, so your feedback can help me know if I am on the right track. But whatever game or way you choose, the most important thing is that you take action and make use of your spare time. With that in mind, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.